Glossy outside, juicy inside. These Korean meatballs beat takeout any night. We'll start with the key to these meatballs. It's all in the sauce. Sticky, glossy, and it takes less than 5 minutes to make. The game changer is, it begins super simple. Just water and cornstarch. Layer in savory depth and a touch of tang. This is where the balance starts to build. And here's the star, gochujang. That's what gives the sauce its signature sweet heat and Korean kick. Finish with sesame oil of the heat for that nutty flavor. Shiny and silky, the kind of sauce that makes you want extra rice. Next up, the meatballs. Tender, juicy, and oven baked. Koreans often grate onion into their mix. It keeps the meatball juicy and flavorful. I like using an ice cream scoop. It keeps the meatballs all the same size and it's so much easier. A quick spray of oil and then into the oven. No frying needed. Golden, juicy, and ready for that sauce. Basically effortless. And now the best part, tossing them in that glossy sauce. Every meatball gets coated. Sticky, shiny, packed with flavor. This is why I love this. Just add rice, a few fresh veggies, and dinner's done. And that's it. Such an easy recipe for a busy weeknight. The secret's in the gochujang. Have you cooked with it?
Unbelievable. So delicious.